Where are we going?
On our train to Paris.
We're taking the ice train. It's like the bullet train from Kaiserslautern to Paris. We are not in the right seats, but we will figure that out when someone kicks us out. Your seat?
Oh, thread. You gotta grab her.
Yeah, you know I'll walk right in the middle of the street.
Oh.
This is the Garden des Tuileries. Leads up to the Louvre. We have an appointment at 3. Have to make time appointments because of COVID.
We had a 3 o'clock reservation to go inside, and it is now 5. 2 hours inside the museum. We only did one wing of 3 or 4.
Yeah, and I am pooped.
Yeah, we are exhausted, cannot handle it. So you're gonna go to the Louvre, plan for it to take a minimum of 2 hours to see everything you want to see.
When we arrived in Paris, we thought that there would be a ton of places to pop in and pay to store your luggage for a few hours, but we actually had a really hard time finding something like this. After walking around for what felt like hours trying to find a place to store our bags, we finally found out that the Louvre has its own luggage storage area. And it's actually free to use. Now, you normally only have access to this area during your appointment time, but we found a really nice guy who allowed us in to store our luggage early. Ask around and maybe you'll have the same luck. Had a very eventful past 2 days, flying in from the States and then taking a train to Paris with us. So we are unsupervised in Paris. We're going out to dinner tonight. We're going to find some Indian food because we cannot afford that French cuisine. And then we're going to look at the Eiffel Tower at night. So we are riding the metro into town. We can't find the right train, so we're going to hop on this one and hope it's right.
babe. What happened?
Got a belly full of Indian food and a half a bottle of wine, and now I just want to go to bed.
What happened to being unsupervised tonight in Paris and going out?